Hey, I'm Tim Prince with OmniDM, and you may be wondering what the difference is between our porcine-derived DAO and a Pea-derived DAO. Here's what you need to know. When it comes to diamine oxidase supplements for histamine intolerance, you might see these two main sources, porcine or pig-derived DAO and Pea-derived DAO. But are they truly comparable? Let's take a moment and break down the science. First, porcine-derived DAO. The established standard porcine kidney extract has been the traditional source for DAO supplements, with a history of use and a growing body of clinical evidence supporting its efficacy and safety in helping break down dietary histamine. Studies have explored its role in alleviating symptoms like digestive issues and skin reactions for those with histamine intolerance. Then there's the Pea-derived DAO. It's a newer kid on the block, but it does lack evidence. While plant-based options are appealing, Pea-derived DAO faces some significant challenges. Unlike its porcine counterpart, there is a distinct lack of robust human clinical trials demonstrating the efficacy and safety of Pea-derived DAO for histamine intolerance. Much of the available research is preclinical, which means it's in vitro or animal studies, or it has very limited human data, which isn't enough to confirm its effectiveness in people. Without these sufficient clinical trials, the true efficacy of Pea-derived DAO in metabolizing histamine in the human gut and its long-term safety remains largely unestablished. This is a critical gap for consumers seeking reliable solutions. In addition, there needs to be a new dietary ingredient notification. In the United States, for a new dietary ingredient like Pea-derived DAO to be legally marketed, it typically requires a new dietary ingredient notification to the FDA. This process demonstrates that the ingredient is reasonably expected to be safe under the conditions of its intended use. As of now, for us, it's unclear if Pea-derived DAO products on the market have successfully navigated this crucial regulatory step. This lack of an NDI raises questions about regulatory compliance and, of course, consumer safety. Then there's the matter of an allergy warning. Should there be one? Well, the answer is quite simply absolutely. Given that pea is a common allergen, any supplement containing pea-derived ingredients should absolutely include a clear allergy warning for individuals with pea allergies. While the enzyme itself might be processed, the potential for residual allergenic proteins cannot be ignored, and consumer safety must be prioritized. So why haven't we at OmniDM created a Pea-derived DAO? Well, that's a bit of a complex answer. We'll start with the fact that the owners of OmniDM have been working with DAO for over 20 years, so why haven't we created a vegan-friendly DAO? As a company, OmniDM decided creating a Pea-derived DAO for commercial sale is not a good idea, primarily due to significant challenges in scalability, cost-effectiveness, and enzymatic stability. Unlike porcine kidneys, which are a readily available and concentrated source of DAO from an existing food supply chain, Pea-derived DAO requires a very complex and less established process of germinating peas, extracting the enzyme, and ensuring its stability through drying and formulation. This process is far more difficult to standardize and scale for mass production, making it less commercially viable compared to the well-understood and stable porcine source. The bottom line is this. While the idea of a plant-based DAO is appealing, it's crucial to prioritize products with established scientific backing. For now, porcine-derived DAO has more evidence supporting its use. But please, don't take my word for it. Take the time to research for yourself. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement.